Enums in Java are often underestimated. Most developers use them to store constants like days of the week or order statuses, etc. But enums can do so much more. They can replace entire design patterns, act as singletons, manage states, and even encapsulate behavior. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful enum-based patterns you should know, and I will show you each one right here. Let's start with the strategy pattern. Imagine you have customers of different types: regular, premium, and VIP. We want to apply different discount rates for each customer type. Usually, we would write this kind of code with if-else block that checks for each customer type and then applies the discount. But instead of writing repetitive if-else logic, let's let each enum handle its own discount rule. Simply create an enum with an abstract method and add different types for each customer, overriding the discount rate. Now, depending on the customer type, simply call apply method using this enum. Each enum constant carries its own behavior. This is polymorphism without extra classes. Singleton is useful when you want only one instance of something, like configuration settings. The most easiest and safest way to write a singleton in Java is with an enum. Simply create an enum and define one constant. Add a constant value and a method. You can access this method using enum name. This enum has a single instance no matter how many threads access it concurrently. It's thread safe, protected from serialization issues, and immune to reflection hacks. Next, let's talk about behavior-rich enums. Imagine you are building a parser for different file types like CSV and XML. Each format needs different parsing logic. Enums can embed this logic right into each constant. So, declare an abstract method parse that will be implemented for different file types. Now, define enum constants for each file type and override this method for each one. Now you can just call filetype.xml.parse to parse XML files or filetype.csv.parse for CSV files. Instead of writing a switch or a chain of if conditions, enum can do routing for you. You can also use enums to create a state machine. Think of a traffic light that changes its color from red to green to yellow and then back to red. Each state knows what comes next. We can implement this behavior using enums. Define an enum traffic light and an abstract method next. Now, define constants for each color and override next method. Each method will return the constant for next color in the sequence. That means red will return green, green will return yellow, and yellow will return red. Now you can cycle states by just calling light is equal to light.next. This pattern is perfect for workflows, lifecycle transitions, or even game states. And now, the final pattern, using enums as a command router. This works great when you have fixed commands like start, stop, or pause, each command performing some unique action. Define an enum command. Think of it as a process having a lifecycle. Define an abstract method execute. Now add enum constants for each command and override execute method for each constant. Now just call command.start.execute. This will execute the entire flow of the required command. No maps, no factories, no ugly switch cases, just clear, self-contained behavior. So, next time you are writing repetitive conditionals or managing state transitions, ask yourself, can this be done with an enum? Enums in Java aren't just for holding constants. They can be smart, strategic, and powerful tools when used right. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Java design patterns, and share it with someone who still uses switch case in 2025.